All right, so this is it. This is the Captain Drone giveaway contest to say thank you to the subscribers. I'm about to point back here. There it is right there. 120, no, what is that? 125,000 subscribers. That's how many subscribers. That's how many of you have hit that subscribe button to watch this channel. And I'm very grateful for it. And because I'm so grateful, I have to give something away, because honestly, if you guys didn't watch this channel and if you guys didn't subscribe to this channel, there would be no Captain Drone channel, because this is just a hobby. I do it for fun, but since everybody seems to watch it, I just keep on doing it. So this is a giveaway of a very expensive drone to somebody who is watching this right now. Now, I've done these giveaways many times in the past, and the last giveaway I did was when I reached 100,000 subscribers, and on your screen right now, you're watching a video. And that video is of the drone that was given away to the winner, who was Vito de Groot, who lives in the Netherlands. And he made this video with his brand new DJI Mavic Mini, which he won from entering one of these contests. So now one of you are going to win the drone that I'm going to announce today, and hopefully you'll make a really cool video and post it on YouTube and send me the link, and then I will show it in the next contest. So the drone I'm giving away in this contest is very expensive and also very good, and I want to say a big thank you right now to Powervision. Powervision contacted me and they said, Steve, would you like to give away a drone on your channel? And I said, you bet I would, because I have a 125,000 subscriber contest giveaway coming up, and I'd love to give away a drone. What do you have? And they said, we'd like to give you the POWEREGG-X to give to one of your subscribers. And I said, no, how about you give it to one of the subscribers? I'll just give you their name and address. And they said, that sounds great. And we'll also give the wizard kit so that it's waterproof. And you also get a case to carry everything around in. So you've got an awful lot here. Oh, I forgot to show the drone. This is the drone, the POWEREGG-X, and it's the most versatile drone you can currently buy. Now let me tell you about this really sweet drone that one of you is going to win. Check this out. This drone can be used as a handheld video camera because it has a 3-axis gimbal, which will keep everything very, very steady. It can also be placed on a tripod or on the ground and track you, because it has one of the best tracking systems around. The legs go on and off, and when you put the legs on, you have a drone that can fly all over the place, and it's pretty fast. And that drone, when you put the wizard kit on, it can fly in the rain, it can fly in the snow, and if you put the pontoons on, it can land on snow, and it can land and take off from water. It has a top-notch tracking system, so you can run around, walk around, and it will follow you, no problem. And it even has automated flight mode so that it can do some really cool things just by the touch of a button. It also has forward obstacle avoidance, so if you're new at flying drones and you're flying forward, it will not crash into anything. It will just stop. This package comes with 2 batteries, so each battery gives you 30 minutes of flight time. So if you take this out, you've got 1 hour of flight time with this drone. The range is really good. Transmission is decent. A lot of people have done tests on the range. I haven't done tests on the range, but from what I've seen, I've never lost any image on the transmission. It's really good. It can record all the way up to 4K 60 frames per second, and it can even do slow motion. So this entire package, you get all this. I'm in here somewhere. You get everything you'll ever need in a drone, and you can have years of fun with this one. Now we're at the part of this video where I'm going to explain the contest to you, and it's pretty simple. To enter this contest, you must be a subscriber to this channel. Please hit that subscribe button before you enter the contest, because when you enter the contest, which I'm going to explain in a second, I can tell if you're a subscriber or not. YouTube shows it to me at my end. So, to enter the contest, you're a subscriber. Next thing you have to do is just add a comment below this video. It's that easy. Your comment has to have the answer to 5 questions. So, question number 1. Get your pen and paper out. Question number 1. Here we go. What country do you live in? Yes, the reason I put that question is because people have a habit of copying other people's answers. So if one person puts down that they live in the USA and I have 250,000 answers that say I live in the USA, well then I know people probably copied other people's answers. So be honest, put the country you live in, because when this goes to ship to you, the winner, if your country is different than what you said, I'm not having it shipped to you. You will be not the winner. Question number 2. Put your first name down, your real first name. Once again, this is my way of stopping people from copying other people's answers and putting a little bit of effort into this contest. So question number 1 is your country. Question number 2 is your first name. Now, question number 3, 4, and 5, you will find those questions in the description below this video. They're very easy. You're going to go to a website. The link is below this video. And each question is going to ask you about something on the website. It's going to be the Powervision website. It's just going to ask you 3 questions about things you see. You put the answers down, 3, 4, and 5. And there you go. So when you have your 5 answers below in a comment below this video, you are entered and you have just as much chance as everyone else to win. Now the winner is going to be randomly selected. That means I am not going to pick the winner. I'm going to let the computer pick the winner. It's just going to run through all your comments and someone's going to get picked. And that winner is going to be picked on the 30th of May. So that is a Saturday. That's when the winner will be picked. And on the 31st of May, which is a Sunday, come and watch another video here on my channel and it's going to announce the winner. So once again, a big thank you to Powervision for supporting this channel and giving one of you a very expensive and very nice drone that you're going to have fun with for many years. Good luck to all of you for entering this contest, and we'll see you next Sunday, the 31st of May, when the winner is announced. See you then. Take care. Bye.